Hello friends, how are you? I'm fine. Benefits of Google local service ad. Very important, the local business, Google My Business, and every small business, large business, big business, very important, the targeted customer and target audience, uh, your own areas and local areas. The benefits of Google local service ads. Advertising paper leads. PPC advertising known the pain of praying of click in good feed or don't cover local service advertising. How explain CPC? Someone costing more than 5 times the average cost per click in Google Ads. Google local service ad help can the right job to the right advertise and viewers. This job meant that obtain happiness when a you search for broad dream for a very specific job or for an areas outside your service zone. Local service advertising will only be changed for valid leads and depends on the job. This may only cost $6 per leads, 30 leads. If you receive the leads that in funnel, spam and then for much can defense charge. The search will note that local service ad appears with grant check mark along the Google granted. B1 just getting use attention on by SERP Google search engine report page. This allows business to benefit from Google powerful endorsement. See use the Google and recommended is backed by more than repeat the Google granted posted useful customer for job book and through local service ad within lifetime came at cover page of $2,000. Highlight your positive reviews and rating. Every local service and including page customer rating reviews to help you earn search result. Local service ad are on the free way in this way. Google rating. Google rating review extension on search set. Reach your paid search set. Google local service ad site above the paid service ad and organic listing. That because Google local service ad art men that receive the traditional search ad over organic local list. Some search like turn to Google and expect to visit your website before decline if you have the best provide for their business, even if you don't convert by a local service ad. Their print positive on this spam and user reviews might change how people convert later on, including in voice search response. Your customers are less likely to open a new tab, then type in search query, have them which deepen their clothes index. Over 25% of all search coming for voice search. Local service ads are on the FOI. You can make sure that you front on this 400 millions delivers powered by Google Assistant. Ads on keyword to manage. Paid search advertising that keyword research and testing can be never in risks. Luckily, Google local service ad, Whitenet local service ad automatically targeted when customer search for another relevance and trims claim speaking. Then automatically create using information from my business profile. Google local service ad confirm your ability. Google local service ad one only able to for creating industry to select make both which are outside over to find out if you can connect to your customer with local service ad. First confirm your business type and local here. You can ask that local service ad for reason or job type yet. Don't worry, Google explains the service code that I can keep trust. Create your business profile. Your Google local service ad profile defines for your Google My Business account, which is connect and this local stream Google haven't already make create and optimize account will. Your local service ad business profile dream with job mass local ads. Be honest, kind of service you can performance as well as which are you want to leads in. Against the potential pay any much lead for your local service ad for your business profile candidate, your weekly budget, your business hour, your service areas, your job type. You also have option addition high business profile, which is proper service, local service ad SERP, and your business details page. Use the highlighting attention local own open and specific offer and local service reason. The second topics local service ad reason. All regions have access a Google local service ad. However, most large metro areas in our state have the local service ads Google plan to contain your explain in coverts in the USA and has explained internationally late this year through the follow make art serving local service. Atlanta Sandy Spring Rolls GA, Broughton Columbia Tones MD, Boston Cambodian Newton MA NH, Chatlow Greyston NCSC, Chicago Navajo Blaze, Creighton Kinin, Dallas Texas, Denver CO, District Covering MI, Houston, Sandra Texas, Las Vegas, Honorspen NV, Los Angeles, Los Branch, California, Miami, Fulton, Western Branch, Florida, Newark, New Jersey, Oakland, Florida, PA, New Jersey, DL, PA, Phoenix, Arizona, San Diego, California, San Francisco, California, Seattle, Torrance, Washington DC, etc. etc. So thank you, my friend. The local business service, local benefits of local business service at and local business service at regions. You can whole America's local service region. Thank you. Best of luck.